The game tree.
I'm getting it up.
How long has it been playing? Okay, so that's longer left. You should know. Alright. Hey, we're playing Tides. They're big.
Gets a lot more
Go
fun.
after. Okay.
That game was very
We're
bad.
getting everybody in. Everybody gets reps for these last two matches, last two games. Hey, and then hang out, enjoy whatever's going on over there, eat, drink, whatever you guys want to do. Yeah. Yep. All gets cool. You know, if you guys stick around, watch the white team play, cool. If not, good. Let's play tough, get ready for the minis. All right, Boston Mini, 2-day tournament, outdoors. Ready? Everybody knows their assignment?
Exactly.
No, offense, defense.
Exactly. Do not worry.
Let's go. Kids on three, kids on three. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Are you playing three? You are receiving. Deeds, you're the offense. Deeds, your offense, right? Offense. Third receiver is Bori. You're... Oh, hell yeah.
So the rest of the week, are you going to like Disney or anything?
Yeah.
Why are they tall as shit? Get the fucking
Forgot. All right, play them hard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then make sure it's hard the whole time. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's stay focused.
Hard on three, hard on three, 1, 2, 3.
Hard! Max said the whole thing. You and Vincent are on this defense next game.
You said it? Nah.
They didn't do it. Doug.
Over there.
All right, I guess we're
Yeah,
starting
you can
first.
sit over there. The blue one, the blue one.
All right, we're serving.
Bro, I'll get OT by this time. Do not send him, I beg. God damn it. Yo, they got some big ass dudes.
All right, let's go. Quick slide out.
Oh, fuck.
That point.
than me?
Yeah, he beat you. I guess that toe's not broken.
Yeah, I was definitely fighting. Hey, good set.
Outside, inside.
Bang! Ah! That was sexy. Hey, if they block me, it's an instant fight, okay? Okay, I can take good money. Over. Oh, they're ready. Hey, good up, baby, good up. Way to be brick, baby.
Oh, very right. Very right. In. Set.
Oh, that's tough.
Oh, that.
Let's go. I thought that shit was going
Go
into
in.
the net.
Second.
Ball, Daddy. Daddy. Just take charge.
Look at that.
Spin.
Hit that shit.
Three.
Over. Toppy. That shit was close. Good eye. I know, bro. He was so close. This guy's a troll.
I don't want to feel it. Oh, do I want it? No, I'm good. Net.
Hey, good pass, though. Cookies.
Good pass. Set.
Yes.
Set. Stop looking at each other. Ball. No touch.
Good set, Max. Way to get it up. Hey, great serve. Great serve.
Set. You go under?
What'd I pay you for? That's fair.
Outside of the antenna or inside of it? There's different. I went to the right of you. So there's a hole.
Toppy, toppy. Good boy. Yeah, we're good, we're good. Good setting, good setting. Toppy.
Good, good.
Off, off. My bad, my bad, my bad. Let's get it back right here, guys. That's crazy. Hey, pass it, Jordan. That's a catch the baby. Toppy, toppy.
Up point. Too low? You look too low. Stop talking.
That's fair. Empty. Toppy, toppy.
Just throw the timing off right there. Okay, now listen. Let's go. Come on.
I was on the ground back there, don't worry. Let's go, Max. Tough, tough. Come on. You got it. Over. try, good try. Great try. Great try. They're big as shit.
Yeah, so go higher.
Higher is out the park. Come on. We got it, come on. One pass, you got it. One good pass. Come on. You got me again.
Go.
Yes.
Oh, really?
I said 21. That's tough. Hey, way to be up, boys. Way to be up. Toppy. That's tough.
These listen to those two centers don't lose early enough.
Toppy.
That's just swing. Everyone else needs to swing over.
Come on.
Over.
Hit it. Over. I learned that from you. Hey, way to get that over, baby. Let's go. Yes.
Don't bail. Why'd you bail?
I didn't bail. I was there.
You turned to get ready. You had to turn back.
I did do that. Fuck. Come on. Throw that shit up. Damn. Back shots and boom. What the fuck? Empty guys.
Hey, we're good.
Attaboy, baby. Attaboy. Good pass. Good, good. Set that shit.
Good rip. Good rip. Good rip.
Good rally, boys.
Go. Hey, next team, next team. Same thing. Setters, switch, Vince and Tyler offense defense. You're gonna go 5. Go 5. Alright. Go 5. Hey, play. Okay, play. They're digging balls because they're good at playing defense, okay? So let's be better. You two switch, right? 3 the whole way. Hey, everything else stays the same. Alright, let's go. Everything else is the same. Play tough.
Yes!
Wait, you need voting now or no?
Oh, yeah, attack? Oh, okay. I got it. Guess she's going to go into the middle of the net, but I'll try.
Play 5.
That's true.
It's easy.
You might need to just put it away. Put it away.
Yeah, there's nothing open here. That big ass block. Does he give any line?
Stop. Stop.
It'd have to be a tool.
If I didn't have work, I would.
Preston, you want to play?
Oh, where am I going? Where?
Tell them to release the play.
Good job, Daddy. Daddy.
Hey, Vince. You might not surf back up.
You hate him, man. I told you. Ball. I don't know.
I'm doing the second.
And oh, that's... Oh my God. That's the best block I've ever seen.
I know.
Tag Sam. Oh, that's... What the hell? Good try. I don't know.
I like your movie. I like it. You're on Mullen, really?
Good pass. Bonnie, you got hit in the face. You got hit in the face. You got hit in the face.
Oh. Good pass. Great pass. This way, boy. That's good.
Hey, Joe.
No!
I saw you do it one of these.
That's just a good play. We're good.
Crap jersey.
Little buff.
Set.
Doing on off, it's just good.
Good pass. Over, swing. Yep. Set.
Wow.
Swing.
Let's go, boys. Stay active. Let's go.
He's not gonna play over. Ever.
We're good, boy. We got it. Hey, trust our back row.
I'll stand. You said
Daddy.
Josh is great. Josh is only playing only PP, bro.
Today, bro.
Actually, it's hard to play.
Some guys can get away with it.
Daddy. Toppy. Yeah! No, you're good. Go for it. Attaboy, Caver. Just come on next time. We're good. I don't want to kill you.
Angle.
Attaboy. Good job, guys. Great ball.
Switch, go. Side, switch.
Gary! man!
Deej, Bory, switch. You're on offense now.
43? No, I don't believe that. I saw that. 43. Toppy. Let's go, boys.
Good pass. Good run. Good. No, the block was good. That was a good swing. It was like right where they hit. That's the only reason. So then you gotta retire.
Oh, fuck no!
You turn, right? Because you hit this way. So it drops just enough where it is right.
They're trying to clip.
You might be falling just because you went up to it and it dropped just a little enough for them to get their hands there. Right? Because if you think about that, right? You go here, because it drops a little bit. Right? That's why it drops. You're low.
Bro, that almost went through my hands into my face. It was so close. I would have. Good looks, boys. Oh my God, big fucking boy. Come on.
Wait, who's that?
Good boy.
Let's go! Come on!
I got you.
Leave it at 25.
Shuey!
Double! Wait!
Attaboy. Hey, good pass, Steve.
There you go. Our point. Our ball, I'll serve.
Gary? Hey, that's tough.
Oh my God!
You don't need me.
Cheer up your
I ain't stepping over.
Hey, bottom line.
Just switch. You two switch. You'll be fine. Yeah, still run it. Just for this one, you run the back one. So on serve receive, you two switch. One the back, one the right side, okay? Yeah. And then switch back.
We're good. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Right here.
Yeah, Tyler. Good go, Tyler. That's the Newtown Dash Champion. Okay,
Go, boys.
Silver playoff free hat. No. Someone has not hit me. Come here, Cookie.
Good set. I could not see it.
Sorry, that's the Emlyn. They're my teammates. How do you do?
I could not see that set.
I know you're playing middle.
45.
You saw? I saw it.
That's crazy. He's just turning.
That's a good swing. You funneled everything right where it's supposed to go anyway.
You're playing back.
There's 5 teams on the fucking court, and there's no PM win. Yeah, I know. No, there's no PM win for momentum. There's still time. Really?
Let's go, boys.
That's what we were supposed to play. Yeah, so I don't know why they still time. They just let us fucking play it out. And there's 3 games left, and it's only 12 PM.
You got it. No worries.
Let's play on it.
Copy.
I know. Oh?
up or he's peeling off, but he's not doing either or.
But I'm really used to like yeah, guys setting a back set. I'm really used to like guys setting same.
Yep.
Yeah.
For the lift.
No. They can set rules.
Let's go, boys.
Jamie! There! South Monkey! Oh, and my cousin! Yo, he's in here.
Oh, you good? What?
Maybe he bit his tongue.
I know, right? I'm gonna recognize
Zamboni.
Did you see my Jamie snipe? No. I was in the car and I took a picture of Jamie's back. Love IPM. I'll be like, he's on a story. I'm like, really? I'm like, that's how it is. But isn't it like, the photo? This is really so rough. What? That's cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. Yeah, cry about it. Oh my god, look at that
Oh, line up.
It's not like Starboy flat.
That's tough.
I can't.
Hello.
Josh, I got that on video.
You saw Josh get the kill? That was fire.
UMass friend. This is the UMass. This is the UMass friend. He started like that. Oh my god, I'm right here. UMass friend.
I know, right? Yeah.
I'll like try to get one. We can watch Loki. Can I go down there to the shade?
All right, bring it in.
There's a breeze over
We'll
here.
make it quick here. All right.
Oh, fucking. Yeah, sorry about that.
I was last before us.
Yeah, no, it was good.
He's bleeding. Oh, hey, nice job today. Good reps. We're playing outdoors. Get us ready for the ball. All right. Concrete is different. You gotta change your game just to adapt to this. Right? And then we'll right back into indoor. And the game is faster out there and a little slower here. You gotta get able to adjust right away. You got two more turns.
This is the one that got a kill earlier.
You have practice this week. Okay? Stick around. I'm pretty sure we're done.
I recognize that
Stick around.
name.
Go too far.
Yeah.
I'll see what happens till this game.
No, you're in.
Right.
Oh, wait, yeah. You know when Steven left? I told him no invite.
Hey!
Oh, that thing. No,
I didn't really do anything in the second game. I got like one set. You like the Uga Booga shit?
I don't want to go.
So it's different rules than that. There's different rules than that. You can like carry and like catch him. You see the guy on the other team, the skinny guy who kept.
I know.
That's like a 9-man shit.
I would have gone to someone's scoop play.
Yada. What do you got to say?
Disappointing.
What do you got to say?
I think you guys put up a hell of a fight. Definitely need to clean up some of the second touches. Overall, great job today. Very, very happy with the progress I saw.
Thank you. Thank you, Coach.
Jordan True is one sexy motherfucker.
Yeah.
Michael Schaub always wears that stuff. Yo, Kyle. Is that what you have on? Yeah. One of our friends. He literally wears that every other day. So I get a cam off for that.